Happy Thanksgiving, Balanced Body community. Staci, Alden, Master Instructor here to share with you one of our favorite recipes to share with friends and family during this holiday. We like to call it Length and Strength Casserole. Let's get cooking. To start with, we'll want to lather our pan with some nice mind-body connection, going into adding a nice stick of roll downs, nodding the chin, reaching for the floor, pulling the belly in as you exhale to roll back up. Then we'll want to add at least 3 cups of the 100. Make sure you have plenty of countertop space to show your friends and family how strong your core and your breathing are. Then we'll want to add 3 tablespoons of shoulder bridge, lifting those hips up nice and high. Drive the hips up, maybe adding that leg and those feet. Then moving into filling all of the cracks with some deep diaphragmatic breathing into that rib cage. To finish up, we'll cover the top with a strip of push-ups using either your countertop or your floor, taking your casserole, putting it in the oven for at least 350 degrees for at least 30 to 40 minutes. Make sure it's nice and cool for your friends and family before serving it to them. Let us know what your family thinks and how it all tastes.